on down to the river. Come on down with me.
And when we found Henderson and they were on the National Scenic Byway on the Minnesota River Valley, Jenga, I was like, this makes all the sense in the world.
Henderson is one of the oldest cities in the state. It was established in 1852 by Joseph Renshaw Brown.
Henderson is either the third or fourth oldest European settlement in Minnesota.
It was the gateway to western Minnesota. Henderson kind of almost fell into a state of suspended animation. We have a beautifully restored Main Street.
Downtown Henderson is a National Historic Preservation District.
There's at least a dozen that are in the district.
We're looking at really a renaissance in Henderson.
And if you like being in a historic location, you may even have a historic business of sorts.
We've got a beautiful glass shop downtown that's unique. I mean, who else has this? You know, there aren't very many places where I can go and you can find the unique things that are carried in classic glass downtown.
People like something unique, and I have people from the metro area come in and say, we've never seen a store like this. That makes my heart feel good.
Welcome to Henderson.
We have a wonderful ice cream shop that it kind of almost takes me back to like Friends. Real comfy, and they've got a lot of space in there for people to gather. And
you know, we're close enough to the metro that if you want to go to downtown Minneapolis or you want to run to Mankato, Shakopee, you can get pretty much everything you need within an hour, if not less. But you've got everything you really have to have. There's a grocery store and a gas station and a hardware store, a liquor store and an ice cream shop, so.
We don't have any franchise businesses. They're all just mom and pop shops.
We have entirely too many festivals and celebrations. The first one really is Sauerkraut days in the spring. That's left over from the Depression when they had to think of something to elevate the mood of the community.
Got to come for Sauerkraut days. It's 3 days of fun, lots of activities, parades, food, music.
And now we've got new activity on Main Street.
we have roll-ins on Tuesday nights. They really bring in a huge crowd of people. We've got a lot of bikes, we've got a lot of cars, we've got a lot of people, young people, old people, it's everyone.
We do it for 18 weeks, 18 events every year.
They want to come the Scenic Byway, which hooks up to 212, and you meander down the river valley, and it's one of the most beautiful roads in the state.
We get 200 to 300 cars, we have food trucks, we have live music.
Economic boom for Henderson.
What town wouldn't want to have this many people coming to town to their businesses every Tuesday night?
When this town is full and when it's hopping like on a roll-in night, it is just a really exciting place to be. It's so vibrant, so alive, and people are having such a good time.
So many people over the years have come up to me and said, how does Henderson do it? And we do it because we have a lot of people that love the town and are interested in the town and want to be a part of it. We have probably 70 to 80 volunteers for the roll-in.
Much of the land in the Minnesota Valley in our area has been purchased by Fish and Wildlife or the DNR. Very little agriculture still exists in the Minnesota River Valley. It's all been replaced by recreational land or wildlife refuge. It's a great place.
Across the river is the Nye Nature Center now, and that is part of the park system of LeSueur County.
The mission of the Nye Nature Center is to connect people to nature, to create a place where they can experience the seasons changing and we can educate and interpret what's happening in nature right here along the Minnesota River Valley.
Ready to set right on top, okay?
We have Girl Scouts coming out this afternoon to do a camping badge. The park is 446 acres and it's open all 4 seasons of the year. We have 200-foot elevation bluffs that you can stand up on top of, and you can look out to the west, and it's just a gorgeous view. The Nye family farmed this land, so they settled here before Minnesota was a state, and their homestead is farther into the park. It has their original log cabin, and then several of their buildings.
Our next banding session is at 2 o'clock.
One day, this beautiful tiny little bird flew through, and had this gorgeous red throat, and I discovered it was a ruby-throated hummingbird, and I liked it. So, long story short, I started adding flowers and feeders and feeders and flowers, and here we are 15 years later, and I've got one video frame, 74 hummingbirds in that one frame.
And we wanted to kind of keep on Dolores's vision. We have the third Saturday in August. It draws many people from all over. We have people from even other countries.
The most interesting example of a consequence to creating the birding trail is occurring today in the town of Henderson. And certainly if you look around here and see the number of hummingbirds, I've really grown to appreciate the areas immediately adjacent to this town as a wonderful birding area.
For years, conservation of the actual river bottoms, dedicated owners of property that have reclaimed and replanted and done so much for the river.
In the Minnesota River Valley, basically a wilderness now.
The land that time forgot. We are an accident of geography. You're not going to find another place like this in southern Minnesota.
There's a National Eagle Center, International Owl Center, there's a National Loon Center. Let's have a National Hummingbird Center.
The garden's open 24 hours a day, and you'll always find hummingbirds during the season there. The hummingbirds are just awesome, especially here.
The folks here in Henderson put a tremendous amount of work into designing a plan. You know, it's a dedicated trail, which is going to make it a lot more bicycle and hiker friendly than if it was just on the shoulder. There's a beautiful county park just north of town, a little bit west of town, which has camping and hiking and biking and just a lot of, great place to go just for a walk. Connecting that to the city of Henderson on a trail looked to the commission as something that was regionally significant.
So this trail is going to be a huge asset for Henderson. It connects Blakely all the way into our historic Main Street. You can come down, get an ice cream, have a drink if you're old enough, and just enjoy what Henderson has to offer.
We've got a new bike trail that's headed out to a brewery out in Blakely. And there's Kerfoot on the way. It's a zip line.
We've got a few things to our favor. We've got the Minnesota River Valley, so we've got some natural bluffs. We've got 14 zip lines. It's over a mile of cable. It's really high, long, fast, a lot of fun.
We obviously get a lot of out-of-towners out here, and so they're always asking for a nice bite to eat or a nice little dessert or something after their tour, and so we always recommend any place in Henderson. A big one is the ice cream shop.
We started this to help people recreate outdoors. We love it. It's in our DNA, and so it just seems to fit with Henderson.
Well, we have the LeSueur Henderson Public School. We have St. Anne's Parochial School in LeSueur. We have the New Country School High School, very successful, and the New Country School Grade School on top of the hill.
We have a great partnership with the Minnesota New Country School.
We were one of the first charter schools in not only Minnesota but in the United States.
Getting students out of a school building and into the world is a good thing, and having field experiences. Sometimes the best learning happens outside of a school building, and so we are a project-based school where students get to construct project work around things that they really care about. Our little country school has turned into the biggest employer in Henderson. We try to get our students involved with community life in Henderson, and our community needs this young energy. So it's important to the town of Henderson to have a place like this where kids can come and be connected to the community. So we're really thankful to be here.
Buildings are looking good. Every year they fix a few of them, and we're getting a splash pad this year.
So we needed more activities for our youth, and a swimming pool was not going to be feasible. So we thought, why not a splash pad for like all different ages? So we're going to have the itty bitties up to the older kids, so everybody can come in and enjoy it. And we're going to have picnic areas. We're going to have a shelter for bathrooms and changing, hopefully concessions at one point, so everybody can come up and have a picnic and play for the day and hopefully utilize some other places in town.
Henderson's kind of laid back, and we're all just really kind of happy to be here. So everybody that shows up becomes our new best friend.
I love Henderson. The people are so nice. I love the small town feel. Everybody knows everybody. There's always something to do.
It's just a lot going on in Henderson.
The history and the feel of it's a village.
Great, so thank you all for coming.
Our community involvement of volunteering is very strong in this town.
I've just tried to give back because I feel like Henderson's given so much to me. One that I did.
Great group of people down here. It's a whole different environment than in the cities. Everybody knows everybody, and if someone sees you trying to accomplish something or some project going on, you have all kinds of help.
We are officially open for business.
I love this town. I just absolutely adore it. We all care about each other. It's an amazing sense of community and connectiveness.
Yeah, it's a unique, very unique place.
The quietness here and nature. So if you're a nature lover, come to Henderson.
It's a great place to live.
I think they just need to come and take a look at it, drive around, and check the town out.
Come on down to the river. Come on down with me. Come on down to the river. Running wild and being free. Running wild and being free.